Hi guys, so today's lunch and dinner we're making fish soup and we are using this vegetable and also fried fish, also preparing something for kinilaw, squid kinilaw and adobo squid because it's so yummy guys. And then yeah, so we have everything here and this is the camp kitchen here, so you can do barbecues and then they have 3 tables as well. So I think it's just very handy guys, and they have the fridge, very handy to do it here because if you are preparing like plenty of food, then I think the big kitchen is really good for that. Yeah, so
Yeah, so look at that. Guys, it's cooking. It's so yummy. I'm so hungry.
this is my tuna guys. So, yum. I can smell that food is so it has everything: lemongrass, capsicum, chili, pepper, onions, and tomato. So that's how we cook our Filipino fish soup. Yeah, yummy. Hi guys, nagluto nga akong servant. Kuan ba ako? Best tagaluto. Kung tinula. She's cooking the sabaw. Saan fish pakita? Oh, she's frying the fish pan. And this one. More that is the yellowtail guys. We call it in the yellowtail. This one This one guys, she's cooking. She's making the yummy Look at that. Yummy guys. We are going back to the kitchen. She's very sexy guys. Look at that, oh. Very sexy cooking lady. Kani ang tinuod nga sexy guys. Oh, puti ang kilikili. Ang kilikili sa ipakita. Oh, lala. Ang kilikili ba? Ang kilikili. Oh. Kilikili. Ito mo ang kilikili. Oh my gosh.
Did you guys eat this when you were kids?
So what's wrong with it? There's our kinilaw.
Aliyah, you make the flavor.
And the apple salad. Paksi.
Let me see.
Say hi.
You need to marry a rich man. Buy you a steak.
Guys, human kaon. Karito na kay busog nami guys. Tulog kay kapoy na tulog nami.
Kapoy na.
Sarah guys, ay gusto mag-swimming bisan tignaw. So she asked her mom, can I go swimming? And her mom is busy cooking mango sago. So I said, okay, I will take you. You having fun, Sarah?
Ladybug likes me too much.
The ladybug likes you so much.
No, it's not.
Why don't you swim with the ladybug?
No, the ladybug tried when it shit the water.
Yeah, we can swim
I
both.
saved it.
So in this caravan park guys, they have
It now likes
swimming
me.
pool. So this is really a big pool. It's really good. Yeah, nice swimming pool. What's the matter?
Not too much.
Yeah. So after the big lunch, I feel so tired now, guys. I feel like I want to go to sleep, but then I have to watch Sarah because she would like to go to this school and swim. So I have to be with her and watch her. I'm feeling sleepy. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye. So now she's showing her.
I did that ladybug. Yes, I got mentioned that the ladybug.
Yeah?
That was hard.
Okay.
Because the ladybug likes me too much.
Yeah, be careful.
Because I wanted to be on. Do I have good luck?
Yes.
I have good luck.
You have
I
good luck. Yeah.
Can I go to fifth pool with this?
Yes, of course.
Yay!
No, I don't think so.
Yes, I can swim.
No, you cannot swim yet. You're too little. No. Zara, not in the big pool. Zara. Not listening. Zara, Zay. Nako. Namati na bata. Tanawan ko man na. Make sure you're holding that, okay? Don't let it go. Zara, make sure you're not letting it go, okay?
I can say, I didn't ladybug.
Yeah.
Because the other ladybug liked me.
Yes, the ladybug likes
Yeah, and I saved him one time.
Yeah.
Because it was literally gonna die. It's gonna die because it needed no water.
Is it cold water?
No,
No? Can you please hold with your 2 hands,
no, a
please?
little bit cold.
Don't let go. Zara, don't go too far, please. Just go here. Zara, come here, please. Zara, come on. Making mango sago. Sago. For dessert. Ini ang process guys, yung lapuhan, yung sayaon.
Buba.
Yan, mangga, yung slice, cream, o condense, o evap, then you mix together. O, mauna ka nan guys. Katugnaw sa fridge para lami, pagkaugma na ni kaunon.
Okay, panty.
You thought it tasted bad.
Ay, labog ang
Try it.
panday. Kanang ay labog ang kanang kuan ba kanang liso kay atong panon, supsupon. Supsupon.
Guys, nila guys, ang gulaman.
Siya mas labaw dili.
Kasi ang kamot, oh.
Pero mas lapat.
Awa, oh, sige, pasagdira na siya kasi may naghimo. Oh.
Na man di assistant. Hindi mo na. Gusto niyo man
Uyang?
dako na luwag.
Kuan si Johnny, ikaw na lang.
May pad. Hindi man dako na luwag.
Hindi ra to.
Uy, ang butanganan.
Ikon luwag.
Oh, i-transfer doon. Doon mo kaya ha, kay kuan man, limpyo naman. Or doon baldi na hugasan. Dahil di harakat sa iski dahil.
Dapat tanan maghalo.
Oh, guys. Guys! Lami ang gulaman, guys!
Everybody, look. Everybody on this video.
Yum, yum. Oh,
Hello. Hello.
Ang mura man gihapon. Need ma mix si Jaday. Otherwise unflavored di ma mix.
Tilapi.
Ni katabang.
Ya, paganis.
Hello, guys. This is a mango jelly. Ready? Ready?
Manimba anak sa Pilipino.
Again.
Iya po ng iske, kaya diha ta maghalo.
Uyang ra kay butangan pa diri.
Diha sa iske.
Naka-white fox na gaya. Naka-white fox.
Ihurot na kan ini day.
Amo gani. Hurot ra kanday.
Do you want some? Do you want some?
Okay, lalim. Ano na pagkano?
Yan, manggasago. Grabe masag daw ni pakuan.
Iman kay grabe ka sa
Paubos
ubos.
ay paubos.
Uyang nga. Gana atong dako kanira.
Ana na to. Ana na to. Crab na. Daw na ato kay mag-taste na ng crab.
I'm so bad at it. Look.
Gasan mo.
Sakto ra man daw. Okay.
Kuno madyo na
Galit
galit ka
ka man daw
condense.
condense, di ba? Hindi sakto na. Nag-open man daw sa unimo.
Diba? Pwede naman daw pa ng swing na.
Bali sa unyot. Dili
Need pa daw ng cream day.
Di na sakto na yun.
Sakto na
Mas
daw.
dami man ang ibab ka sa cream, tikining.
Ha? Lami noon ang
Ang cream. Dati na tagbutang kadako na dito.
Turn telepathy.
sabay. Sakto na sa unyot kay urani na.
You want one?
Hindi na daw lami kay di kon si Rubira nagtimpla.
No, no.
Gani hurot na lang ina.
Mura ka ng Indian style ba? Halo-halo.
Wait, ikaw na na yun kay sakit ang kamot.
Na-injured na nagamang gisago.
Kuan na niyo kay hurot tong.
Kasi sa tilawan nato kung
Di pa na mix.
You guys ready to eat?
Yes.
Uyang pa.
milk hurot dai.
Zoe, you have to
Uyot ko na yun.
Taw na sa bugas ano.
Injured na kamot.
then put it back into your put it on. I got
Ano ko, ayaw ko nilagay na ako ma-scoop day. Oh, no,
Tira ba na? Ha? Ang tira ba ng gamay?
Si Jadi, ako na isok-iscoop it. Imo man kilapan.
Ano pod?
Kinala na siya cold.
Lami unsa man lami o dili?
Taon.
Lami or dili? Kay gasagol-sagol naman tong mga dagway ang nagmix.
Mama Mia.
Lalo na lami. Lahi na pud ang gasagol. May nalang jud wala na to si Jake ug si Mate otherwise mahurot.
Libre-libre lang.
Oh guys, lutuon na ang manggo sago. Dalo na dito sa kusina guys. Isugnod na dito sa dako nga kuan. Dako nga kuanon sa pana, tugnaanan. Lakaw na dito guys. Oh. Kay itugna na ni. May man diri guys kay dakong kitchen, dako og kuan. Lots of plenty of room in the freezer. So, open it up and put it in the freezer. Good girl. Alright, freeze it for half an hour and it's all good to go. Yes, that's right. Wait. You better put a name. No need.
Marimar na ito.
Okay guys, I'll see you later. Bye.